Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and now make sure that you will be on the dial or call logs. So let me pick, for example, call logs, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on call settings, and as you can see on the second position we've got call blocking and decline with message, so let's enter it. And here we've got 4 different options connected to the call blocking. Let me ignore the very first one, which is decline with message, and let's focus on the 3, so on the block numbers, digit filter and private numbers. Let's begin with the private numbers. So after turning on this feature, by tapping on the switcher, your device will be able to reject all the calls from private numbers, so it's quite useful. Above it we've got the digit filter, so if you'd like to block calls from the numbers which have, for example, 4 zeros at the end, then you can enter this filter, tap on this plus icon, enter the 4 zeros and tap on match conditions. And as you can see here, you can, for example, choose ends with. So from now on, after tapping on block, your device will block all the numbers which will end with 4 zeros. So it's also quite a useful feature. And above it we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap on it, and this is our blacklist, which is right now empty. If you'd like to add a number to it, just tap on this plus icon here, and here we've got another 3 options to choose from. So we can block the number from our contact list, from call logs, or we can add new number manually. So I will show you 2 options. I think I will pick the contacts, and I will show you how to add the number manually. So let's tap on the contact list, and as you can see, we have been transferred to our contacts, and now all we have to do is simply find the contact we want to block and tap on it. For example, this one. As you can see, it is marked, it is ticked, so all we have to do right now is simply tap on done. As you can see, this number immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Now let me show you how to add it manually, so tap on this plus icon and tap on new number. And as you can see, here we've got the keypad, so we can manually type the number we want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, the same situation, it also immediately appears on our blacklist. Of course, you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on the trash bin icon, and now you can mark the numbers you'd like to remove and tap on remove. Tap on remove again, and as you can see, they immediately disappears from our blacklist, so it means that from now on you will receive all incoming calls and text messages from that numbers. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.